enthusiasts, welcome to Callia Flowers, where we talk about all things blooming and beautiful. Today I have a super exciting project that we're going to be walking you through, our DIY ground arrangement. This DIY ground arrangement is perfect for weddings or events. It can be used as an aisle marker, a statement floral piece on a pillar, or on the ground during a ceremony or an event. With 4 to 6 ground arrangements, you'll be able to arrange them in a grounded arch too. Now let's unpack our floral kit. You should have your floral foam cage, your florals and greenery, and your zip ties, just in case you need to fasten your ground arrangement to the ground, though you may not use them. We recommend that you soak your floral foam block overnight in water and is able to keep your flowers looking fresh for your entire wedding or event. When you are working on your DIY ground arrangement, we recommend starting with building a base with your greenery. When building your base with greenery, you want to have the longer greenery pieces put into the shorter ends of the foam, sticking out horizontal so that it brings size to the piece. From there, you can tuck in shorter greenery pieces on the longer ends of the foam and have some greenery on the top of the foam pointing vertically. Now for the best part, let's add some flowers. Feel free to trim your stems to see what fits best in your arrangement. When adding florals to your piece, you will want to start with filler flowers to make sure the piece is even and full, and then use focal flowers to make the piece pop. Try to vary putting different focal flowers beside each other so that the arrangement looks balanced. Keep some stems longer than others to give it that whimsical look for your DIY ground arrangement. Tip: take a step back as you're arranging to help with seeing how the overall composition is coming together. And there you have it, a stunning DIY ground arrangement that couldn't have been easier to put together. Have a blooming success at your wedding or event, and check out callia.com/weddings or callia.com/events.